All right, so we're out on the job. Once the fireplace has been fully installed, the last piece of the puzzle is to dress it up with the Firebrick. And as you can see, starting to lay out the Firebrick, first you want to start with the hearth, work up the back wall, and then the side walls. What Isokern allows you to do is when you're installing over a non-combustible floor, in this case a concrete slab, you can omit that hearth piece to get you a much lower finished hearth. Some important things to consider when you're lining the inside of the fireplace with Firebrick. Kind of the perimeter of this hearth between the side walls and the back walls, you want to make sure you have a 1/2 inch gap there. And that allows the Firebrick to have some movement as it heats and cools and prevents any cracking in the future. Something to point out here is you can kind of see that's the artistry right there. The herringbone pattern has been carried over to the sidewall. Not everybody does that. Some people just go ahead and start a new pattern over here, but if you want it done right, that's the right way to do that. Kind of carry it over and along the side. All right, now that this Firebrick's set, we want to go ahead and grout the joints. And if you look down here, he's using the same mortar, the Isoset Firebrick mortar, he used to set Firebrick to grout in those joints. And then once it sets up, he'll come back and tool those joints to smooth them out, to give that final, really nice smooth finish to the grout joints. In these fireplaces, you can do any pattern you prefer, running bond, stack joints, but the herringbone really shows off the elegance of the fireplace. All right, we'll let them get finished up here. But once again, it goes to show what can happen when you combine a great product with a pure craftsman.